Naghanap ba kayo ng mga accessories katulad ng mga mouse, mousepad, or mga headset, headphone, even tablets, even monitors, and even mga kitchen device katulad ng air fryer? Meron tayo niyan dito sa Circuit Base. Ngayon, we have two stores na Circuit Base. One is yung sa main office sa Quezon City. But we're gonna do a video later about that. But right now, we're here in our Calamba branch dahil itong Circuit Base natin, kaka-open lang last week. Tara, quick tour tayo para aside sa mga laptops, papakita rin namin kung ano yung mga binibenta natin dito sa Circuit Base. Tara! First of all, ito, ganito ka spacious ngayon yung bagong store natin sa Circuit Base sa Calamba. But we're gonna also do a video about our main. Kasi yung sa main din, malaki yung mga space. As I mentioned, hindi lang laptop sa mga binibenta natin dito. Pati rin yung mga components sa ating mga desktop. For example, dito, no, meron tayo mga RTX 3060, 5050, and even 5070. This is an Asus brand. Pero bukod sa Asus, meron din tayo mga MSI and Gigabyte. Probably what we're gonna do is just, just a quick tour on this store. And I think ito ang pinakamagandang araw na mag-shoot kasi last time, if you're gonna see there in the video, sobrang dami ng tao. We're really thankful for all the customers na pumunta na noong grand opening. Even hanggang no weekend, ang dami ng tao. May time tayo talagang i-highlight kung yung mga produkto na yung binibenta natin. We also have here yung mga Dell monitor. This Dell monitor is actually an IPS display, 27-inch. Ang SRP na to mga nasa 10,000 above. But here in Circuit Base, binibenta lang natin yan ng mga 6,000 or 5,999 if I'm not mistaken. And we also have here mga Envision monitors katulad ko 4,000, but we have an Envision for as low as or less than 2,000. Canon printers or mga printers, we also have here nasa price point to ng mga 2,999. This is a cartridge type. Hindi to yung mga continuous ink. We do have also sa HP, like it's a 3-in-1 printer na mas mataas siya ng 1,000. Isa yun sa mga bestseller natin. It's a cartridge type din. If you're looking for a continuous printer, meron din tayo. Pero mga nasa price point around 5,000 and above na yon. And isa sa mga pinilahan dito sa Lenovo is this Lenovo Tab M10. Dahil for worth 4,000, meron ka ng Lenovo tablet. And we actually have a video about that, about the Lenovo Tab M10. We have the Idea Tab and the Yoga Tab. So check nyo lang yung previous video natin if you want to know the specification of this. Aside sa mga laptops, you also have phones. Techno phones like yung mga Spark 2 Go. And may kita nyo dyan, ang mga pinaskill natin dito is the SRP. Every time, gumagawa rin tayong sale dito sa Circuit Base. And syempre, mas mababa yung sale. For example, this one, I think this is around mga nasa 4,000 ang SRP. So dito, nung nag-sale tayo, 3,000 na lang yan. And then, we have here the Bumblebee concept. And we also have here the flagship phones. Tulad itong POVA na ito. POVA 7, we have here in stock. SRP is around mga nasa 10,000. But dito sa atin, 8,000 lang. Well, by the way, not to mention, no, we also have tablets. This, Doogee A9, isa to sa mga pinaka-pinilahan dito sa Circuit Base. During the grand opening, yung haba ng pila ng customer, lahat sila may hawak na ganito. Ano ba meron kasi dito sa tablet na ito? This tablet, no, aside from being a tablet, it comes with a pen, it comes with a mouse, it comes with a keyboard. Para kang naka-tablet laptop. And may casing na siya. So, hindi madaling masira. And tingnan yung specifications na to. For a tablet na naka 20 gig, mas mataas pa yung memory nito compared sa mga regular laptops. Laptops, mga 8 gig lang. So, di sa tablet, naka 20 gig. If you want us to do a full review on this one, just let us know. Baka yan yung next content natin. Going back, kung nakukulangan ka dito, we have here this bigger tablet. Comes with a pen, keyboard, and mouse. And then, 32 gig ang memory, which is higher. And then, double storage is 256. Price point is around mga 10,000. Well, ang SRP kasi nito, ang cash namin binibenta to before is nasa 15. So, now it's around 10. Yung mga customers na nabibitin dito, ito yung binibili nila. Because they have better screen, higher processor, higher memory, or everything. Okay? So, usod naman tayo dito. We also have here casing on Circuit Base. Kasi, here in Circuit Base, if may plano kang mag-build ng desktop from scratch, from memory to board to storage to casing, meron tayo dyan. And soon, magkakaroon din tayo ng Acer Pure. Now, Acer Pure is something like yung mga electric fan nila, mga purifiers, mga aircon. And when I was in India, I think they also have Acer TV under Acer Pure. This side is the Xiaomi section. Meron tayong binibenta ng mga TV. As you can see here, SRP nito is 30,000. But here, less than 5,000, around 25,000. This is a 43-inch. Of course, it's smart TV. If you do some comparison, if you check it on the Xiaomi store, nasa 30 yan. Pero sa atin dito, 25,000. And aside aside from this, we also have the phones here. Ang isa sa pinaka-flagship phone nila, this one is the Redmi Note 14. Ang SRP na to is around 25,000. Dito sa atin, makukuha mo lang na around 20,000. And ang isa sa mga mabibenta sa amin dito is the Redmi A5. Kasi ito, I think, binibenta lang natin itong 4,000 nung grand opening. And we are restocking soon. And by the way, we have headphones for as low as 300. And we also have premium accessories here in Circuit Base. Just imagine, this one, Steel Series.
Wow.
Sobrang ganda oh. Ganda ng presentation. I think ito yung mga ginagamit ng mga aside sa studio, sa mga recording, ito ata yung sa yung mga director ng mga movies. Tingnan nyo, this is Artis Nova
Wow.
Elite. Number 1 premium gaming headset brand. Well, I can't deny na number 1 kasi tignan nyo yung presyo nito. 44,000. Presyo ng isang laptop. Kung naghahanap ka ng pinaka-premium na headset, I think I will suggest this. But in case that you're out of budget or kind of budget, meron naman tayo mga Steel Series here na mga nasa around 700. And iulitin ko, if you're gonna check on the other side, we have Fantech there na may headset na mga nasa around 300 lang. And aside from headset, we also have here some keyboard from Steel Series, the Apex. And then we also have mouse and mouse pad. So currently, it is not 100% na kompleto na mga stocks, but we're trying to have all the stocks here. By the way, we also have here JBL speakers. We got there JBL yung mga maliliit to malalaki. We also have here Ugreen, mga Ugreen, of course, ano ba mga Ugreen? Mga power banks. We have here HDMI connectors, even headphones or head chargers. Isa sa mga mabibenta sa Ugreen, this one, yung Narowa charger. So ito ay fast charger na may multiple ports and umiilaw to. We also have here, speaking of speakers, we also have here Razer. So itong boot na to, it will be a Razer boot. And on this other side, we also have here the HP, the Omen, and the HyperX. HyperX, ito yung mga accessories mostly ni HP. In case that you're looking for a HyperX, meron tayo yan. From mouse to mousepad, earbuds, even mga ganito. Ano ba tawag dito? Pang-podcast. Yan. So, ang tawag dyan, Quadcast 2. Even yung mga mousepad ni HyperX, tingnan nyo, ganda. Ang premium ng design. In an affordable price, syempre. On this other side, we have here MSI. And naubos na yung MSI monitor? Oh, naubos na yun yung MSI monitor. Restock ka ulit, okay? We also have components here in MSI. And kanina na-mention ko yung about Razer. We got here the Razer products. Oh, not to mention, we also have here mga Logitech na for as low as 200 pesos, meron ka ng Logitech mouse. We do have a sale here like a combo. We also have here headset, combo keyboard mouse at a very low price. Kasi may mga SRP, alam niyo naman sa Laptop Factory, kaya natin benta ng mababa, bebenta natin mababa. So that's accessories. Pag kaya natin benta ng mababa, bebenta natin ng mababa. On this side, components from Gigabyte. We have here the Gigabyte of 5050 or may 5070 or 5090. I think before may bumili dito ng 5080 something. Katulad na mention ko, from scratch, if you want to build here, meron tayo niyan. Check this out, Fantech. Isa to sa mga pinilahan or marami bumili during the grand opening. Looking for a mousepad, we have here Fantech with the One Piece collaboration. So ngayon, mousepad natin, ito yung itsura niyan. Price point lang ito is mga around 600. And ito yung minimension ko kanina, for as low as 300, meron ka ng headphone. And sa connection nito is a 3.5 audio combo jack. Aside that, we got different headphones and we also have here mga mouse or mice. For as low as 300, have your wireless mice. But if you want medyo aesthetic, we have here mga color pink, color blue, and color black gaming mouse. And we also have here the mouse that na may ilaw. Ayan. If you're a keyboard fan din, I think meron din tayo. Ito, Nami, Luffy, si Zoro, meron kami before. Now out of stock, but don't worry, mag-restock tayo ng mga Zoro dito. So this is of course, a mechanical mouse. May knob here. Uy, yung escape button is customized, ha? Natin. So this is white switch. So pwede mo naman i-customize or palitan yung switch ayun. Sa white switch here. So marami pa tayong iba't ibang mga keyboards dito. And isa rin sa mga nabili before is this laptop stand na to. Bakal ito at a very affordable price. And there is actually a lot of section here na pupunuin pa namin ng mga accessories dito. I think ito yung mga currently na binibenta natin ngayon dito sa Circuit Base, pero sobrang dami ng accessories dito na baka maubos yung time natin. And then of course, titignan pa natin kung ano naman yung mga products na binibenta natin sa main Circuit Base. So nandito naman tayo sa Circuit Base sa main or sa Quezon City. This is actually our main branch. Kanina yung pinakita natin video, nandun tayo sa Calamba, which is our new branch. Pero Pero ang pinakamaraming customers natin na pumupunta talaga is dito sa Circuit Base. This is the Circuit Base. May kita nyo, sobrang dami na natin products dito. May mga laptops and may mga monitors. Meron pa mga accessories dito. Pero quick tour ko na rin kayo. But in case that you want to go here, pwede nyo i-Waze o Google Maps. Laptop Factory. Nandun lang tayo sa tapat ng Robinson Magnolia. Let's go on. Let's check what are the products selling here in our Circuit Base. Let's start with the accessories, no? Meron tayo dito Fantech. What else? May Nami and then mga laptop coolers, laptop stands, and we also have here isa sa mga cheapest keyboard, no? Mechanical keyboard na to na less than 1,000. It's actually not bad. Ito ba tayo, no? Ito na yun? No? Tingnan natin yung key. It's a blue switch. In case that you'll ask for more details about it, pwede kayo mag-message sa ating page sa Circuit Base on our blue app or comment lang kayo. I'll try to reply on your comments. Ito yung wala sa Circuit Base Kalamba, which is this 5-in-1. This 5-in-1 is nasa price point lang na 1,800. It comes with a headset stand, keyboard, mouse, and a mouse pad. So may mga bumili nito sa ating Kalamba branch na around mga 10 to 15 pieces. Gagamitin niya sa computer shop. So napaka-ideal kasi unang budget, tapos lahat ng varieties. And aside dito, meron din tayo dito na mga accessories pa. But let's go here. Tingnan nyo yung mga accessories natin dito. We also have here mga JBL speakers. We have this boombox. We also have here mga headset natin na mga JBL and meron mga maliliit. And we also have on this other side yung mga Ugreen. Ugreen is meron mga like dock na all-in-one. We have here the Logitech and the G-Series. G-Series for gaming like this, keyboards and headset. And of course, katulad ng minention ko, lahat ng mga binibenta natin dito, mas mababa sa SRP. And in case na nainitan kayo, we also sell here Jitsu Life. Aside sa mga accessories then we also have here laptops. Mapapansin nyo, we have Acer boot here, the Predator here, the Acer laptops there. On the other side, we have there the HP and Lenovo. Most of the common brands or the famous brands nandito sa Circuit-based branch natin, kaya maraming tao dito. And we also have here mga mobile phones. And nakita nyo sa recent video natin, Tecno phones, we also have here mga Tecno. Wow, umiilaw pala to. Okay? And of course, ibenta natin to ng mga below SRP. And speaking of below SRP, this one, this flip phone, ang SRP yata nito mga nasa around 50,000. But dito sa atin, 20,000 na lang. Soon, magkakaroon tayo ng Tecno laptop. Probably we might do a quick video about it. We're also selling here mga tablets. And ito mga tablets na sinasabi ko is that we got here the Doogee A9, the E3, and then we have here a Megapad. We also have here the mga Realme phones. Ito yung mabilis mabenta doon sa kabilang branch natin. And by the way, about tablets, we also have here the high-end tablets ni Lenovo. We have here mga laptops and even here mga laptops pa rin. If you do have any questions about the mga products na meron tayo dito, just comment down below or message kayo mismo dun sa ating Facebook account. And dito sa main branch natin, aside from Circuit Base, we have the Laptop Factory here on the left side and the Laptop Factory there on the other side. So kasi halos lahat ng laptop meron tayo dito sa Laptop Factory. But if you're looking for an accessories katulad ng mga mouse, mousepad, keyboards, etc., meron naman tayo niyan sa Circuit Base. So a like and subscribe is really much appreciated. So have a good day. God bless you. Bye-bye.